Most people get this wrong. They assume buying a SIM card is the easiest way to stay connected in Turkey. But the surprising truth is that eSIMs can save time, money, and hassle while offering instant connectivity. After testing multiple options, the best eSIM providers for Turkey include Airlo, Holafly, and Nomad. You won't believe what happens next. Each of these allows you to download the eSIM instantly, avoid long lines at airports, and start using data as soon as you land. Airlo offers competitive rates with flexible data packages, ideal for travelers who don't want to pay extra for roaming. Holafly specializes in unlimited data plans with simple setup, while Nomad gives fast activation and reliable coverage, perfect if you rely on maps, translation apps, or ride sharing. Setting up an eSIM is simple. After purchasing your plan online, you receive a QR code. Scan it on your phone, select it in your mobile settings, and you're connected. No physical SIM swapping, no need to visit a local store, and your home number stays active simultaneously. Coverage in Turkey is generally excellent in cities like Istanbul, Ankara, and Antalya, but rural areas may have slower speeds depending on the carrier. Most eSIMs support 4G LTE, which is more than enough for browsing, GPS, and streaming. In conclusion, if you are traveling to Turkey, an eSIM is the smarter choice over a physical SIM. Airlo is great for budget-conscious travelers, Holafly for unlimited data, and Nomad for ease of use. Avoid the hassle of airport queues and roaming charges. Get connected instantly. Subscribe for more travel tips and guides to make your trips smooth and worry-free.